My name is Karina Schultz. I'm in grade 12 at KHS, and I'm doing a education youth apprenticeship at NDLC. I'm there every day. I work in the kindergarten classroom. My day starts out like getting the kids unpacked. They do soft start and then we do morning meeting. My favorite part of working with the students at NDLC is creating the bond with the kids and the teacher. Like, I really created a good bond with Miss Ludke and all the kids. In the beginning it was kind of like scary and nervous and like awkward, but now it's like good and I know the kids and like it's fun. I help out with like some of the letter groups, so I take those students individually and work with them. I have this one student in the letter group and he was struggling with his letters, and just seeing how much he has progressed and gotten better with his letters just was really cool to see. This opportunity gave me like the chance to work with kids one-on-one, and I wouldn't have that opportunity like until college normally, but I'm getting to do it in high school with the youth apprenticeship. I've learned in this experience how much a teacher actually has to do. There's a lot of work to it and a lot of patience, and you wouldn't get that in like a normal high school classroom. This experience through the youth apprenticeship has shown me different pathways that you can go within education, like speech, principal, special education. Like, you see all these other teachers. It showed me that I enjoyed like working with the special education students and working one-on-one with children. When I graduate, I want to become a special education teacher, and I'm planning on going to UW Oshkosh. This opportunity helps prepare you for life after graduation because it gives you a plan for what you want to do and gives you that experience before you go to college. I would tell younger students that are considering youth apprenticeship to do it, and that it's a really good experience, and it really shows you what the job is like before you pay money to go to college for this. And then like, what if you don't like it? It kind of really gives you that experience to really feel for it and get the like feeling of the job.